If your facility employs isolated power systems, BiomedRx can test and recertify your isolated power systems, including line isolation monitors, and provide you with the documentation necessary to satisfy the Joint Commission and NFPA99 requirements. Below, you will find information that has been extracted from the National Fire Protection Association document NFPA99 concerning the electrical safety in healthcare facilities. I've extracted specifically the information pertaining to isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. Updates in the last 2 editions of NFPA99 have made isolated power systems more critical in a healthcare environment than ever. If you require assistance regarding any isolated power system or line isolation monitor, please give BiomedRx a call today.